Hello guys and gals, I thought I'd make another little video for you to watch. Been working on my little mini bike frame. Doing the front end, welding up. And finishing up the frame. And got the motor plate welded on, tack welded on in some spots. Got good penetration because it's coming right through the plate. Want to make sure the motor mounted plate is good and solid in there. Probably going to put in a 6-horse Honda engine for the mini bike frame. That should be ample to run it. Got a little bit to finish up in here yet. Got a lot of grinding and cleaning up welds and and I'll have to repaint it again and all that good stuff. And I've been doing a lot of measuring and working on my chopper too. I'm just going to get the motor back in here pretty soon, here in a day or two, so I can finalize the mounts on her. And there's the fender mount. And clearing out my shop a bit here so I can get my projects organized here. And got my roommate here, he's got all his stuff that he just moved in. So I'm giving my back shop a bit so he can do his little bit of tinkering. All my projects are real big, so they're mostly outside or in my area over here, so you can have that little area to work in. And I'm going to move my big go-kart off my big work table out there. put in an order for some more sheet metal so I can do the floor in it yet. And the motor there to go in her. Here's my little go-kart. A little bit more work to do on it yet. And get the welds ground down and get some primer and paint on it. So basically a little bit of welding, show you what I'm up to. That's about it for now, I guess. I'll put up another video a little while again. So thanks for watching, guys and gals, and shall chat with you all soon. Have fun on your projects. Be safe.